بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله أما بعد. Welcome back to our walkthroughs of our resources. This is your walkthrough for resource number 40 as found on page number 148 of your الرومية workbook. أسئلة مراجعة من الدرس الأربعين. Review questions for lesson number 40. Of course, by this time, you've already studied lesson 40, you've already taken this quiz on your own, and you've already checked your answers with the answer key. Now let's go over the questions and the answers together. السؤال الأول, the first question, قال الإمام ابن آجروم رحمه الله. The Imam Ibn Ajurrum, may Allah have mercy on him, said, وقامت هند وتقوم هند. What's next? A. وقامتا الهندان وتقومان الهندان. Or B. وقامت الرجال وقام النساء. Or C. وقامت الهندان وتقوم الهندان. Or D. ويقوم غلامي ويقومون الرجال. The correct answer, taken directly from the text, is C. وقامت الهندان وتقوم الهندان. السؤال الثاني, أعرب قامت هند. Make إعراب of that sentence. A. قامت فعل ماض مبني على الفتح وهند فاعل علامة نصبه الضمة. B. قام فعل ماض مبني على الفتح والتاء تاء التأنيث الساكنة وهند فاعل علامة رفعه الضمة. C. قامت فعل مضارع مبني على الفتح وهند فاعل علامة رفعه الضمة. Or is it D. قام فعل ماض مجزوم بالسكون والتاء تاء التأنيث الساكنة وهند فاعل علامة رفعه الضمة. And the answer key, unless you have an updated version, tells us that the correct answer is answer choice D. And that's very interesting. Let's look at answer choice D. قام فعل ماض مجزوم بالسكون. So, قام is a past tense verb which is مجزوم. What's going on here? That's not correct. Past tense verbs are mebni. D cannot be correct. My apologies to you. We strive for perfection, but sometimes we don't get it. And may Allah Ta'ala forgive us and aid us. So the answer key is wrong here. And it's always good to go over these audios, as you can see, even after going over the answer key. So then, it must be A, B, or C. So A, قامت فعل ماض مبني على الفتح, sounds good. وهند فاعل علامة نصبه الضمة. But Hind being a fa'il that's mansub is nonsensical because every fa'il is marfu' by the very definition of a fa'il. So A is wrong. And B, قام فعل ماض مبني على الفتح. That sounds good. والتاء تاء التأنيث الساكنة. That sounds good. And Hind فاعل علامة رفعه الضمة. There's no problem with this one. This is our candidate for the correct answer, but let's check out C critically. C, قامت فعل مضارع. Oh, stop there. قامت is not a فعل مضارع. It is a فعل ماض. So then the correct answer is in opposition to the answer key itself, B. Barakallahu fikum. And if your answer key shows B as the correct answer, then that means you have a revised edition of the book. السؤال الثالث, the third question. أعرب يقوم غلامي. Make إعراب of that sentence. يقوم غلامي. A. يقوم فعل مضارع مرفوع علامة رفعه الضمة وغلامي فاعل علامة رفعه الضمة الظاهرة. B. يقوم فعل مضارع مرفوع علامة رفعه الضمة وغلامي فاعل علامة رفعه الضمة المقدرة منع من ظهورها التعذر. C. يقوم فعل ماض مبني وغلامي فاعل علامة رفعه الضمة المقدرة منع من ظهورها الثقل. Or D. يقوم فعل مضارع مرفوع علامة رفعه الضمة وغلامي فاعل علامة رفعه الضمة المقدرة منع من ظهورها اشتغال المحل بالحركة المناسبة. And so again, the answer key says that D is the correct answer. But now we're not trusting it so easily. Let's make sure D is correct. يقوم is a فعل مضارع مرفوع. Yes. علامة رفعه الضمة. There it is. يقوم. That's right. وغلامي فاعل. Yes. علامة رفعه الضمة المقدرة. Good. There's no real ضمة there to see. منع من ظهورها. And it's been prevented. It's not shown because of اشتغال المحل بالحركة المناسبة. The place for that dhamma, which would be the meme on غلامي, is busy with what is required to go along with the ya, غلامي. There must be a kasra before it, and that's correct, yeah. As for A, what's wrong with A? Look at it critically. It says there's a dhamma ظاهرة on غلامي, and there is no such thing there. As for B, then it mentions the reason for the dhamma not being there is at-ta'adhur, impossibility, and that is not the correct reason. And as for C, that just claims يقوم is a fi'lu madin, so right away we dismiss answer choice C. The answer key is correct. This time D is the correct answer. السؤال الرابع, the fourth question. استخرج من الآيات فاعلا ظاهرا. Find a fa'il which is ظاهر, not a pronoun, in these verses. فلينظر الإنسان إلى طعامه. أنا صببنا الماء صبا ثم شققنا الأرض شقا. A. الإنسان. B. طعامه. C. الماء. Or D. الأرض. So of course we're looking for an ism that is marfu'a because all fa'ils are marfu'a. The only marfu'a ism here is al-insan, so it's the only possible answer choice. A is the correct answer. As for ta'amihi, that's majroor. As for al-ma'a and al-arda, فَمَنْسُوبَانِ, those two are mansub. السؤال الخامس, the fifth question. استخرج من الآيات فاعلا ظاهرا. The same request, except you have to find it yourself and not choose from four given answers. And the verses are different. وجوه يومئذ مسفرة ضاحكة مستبشرة ووجوه يومئذ عليها غبرة. So we need a fa'il and not a mudmar, not a dhamir, not a pronoun. We need an ism ظاهر. And you can look, but you will not find one. These are jumal ismiya, these are noun-based sentences, so they do not have a fa'il. So you should have written, as confirmed in the answer key, لا يوجد. There is no such thing in these verses. السؤال السادس والأخير, the sixth and final question. استخرج من الآية فاعلا ظاهرا وأعربه. Find in this verse a fa'il that is ظاهر, not a pronoun, and make i'rab of it. يوم لا تملك نفس لنفس شيئا والأمر يومئذ لله. We ask Allah Ta'ala for safety and refuge with Him from the terrors of the Day of Judgment. We're looking for a fa'il that is ظاهر. Now remember, the fa'il is not the one who does the fi'il because here there's a nafi. لا تملك نفس. No soul owns anything. لنفس, for any other soul. شيئا, of anything whatsoever. So نفس is a fa'il. نفس فاعل علامة رفعه الضمة الظاهرة. I hope you found this quiz helpful and this walkthrough helpful. Again, my apologies about question number 2 and the mistake in the answer key. If your copy had answer choice D as the correct answer, that was wrong. And may Allah Ta'ala guide us to perfection in our work and grant us success. وصل اللهم وسلم وبارك على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين.